All right, so here we are with our Wye Delta motor starter, this equipment here. Again, take a look at my other Wye Delta video for a more in-depth look at a control schematic and a wiring diagram. What I want to show here today is just that sequence of operations with the actual equipment. So of course, when I start a Wye Delta motor, it starts with my S coil as well as M1 being energized here, M1 will be energizing the motor, T1, T2, T3. The S coil will be basically providing a Y point at T4, T5, T6. So I press start, that'll go. After a little bit of time, this is an open transition starter, so what we'll see is the motor will de-energize in S, the S will open, and then the M2 will close, providing a path for Delta back to the source. So let's take a look. So at this point, I would have a reduced current, and then of course you saw it switch over really quick there. And switch into Delta mode. So again, I'm going to have that reduced current at start, only about 1/3 of my regular starting current if it was started in Delta, and you can kind of see that operation. So let's take a look at it one more time, just quickly in slow motion, and you can take a look at those contactors changing. So here we start it. So what we saw there was just that open transition. So there was a brief period of time where the motor technically was not energized through S or through M2. I hope this video helps so much. Take a look at the links below at some other videos. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Have a great day.